Every employer needs to care about building healthy community because without healthy community, you don't have a healthy workforce. You don't have a community that can afford to buy your services or your products, and you don't have economic vibrancy that's critical to the economy. So, for many employers, as they look at the goals they have for their organizations and for their teams, their employees, um, oftentimes the patterns that show up in the health of a workforce mirror the patterns that show up in communities. After all, employers are hiring people from the communities they live and work and serve in. And so if employers stop and think about the challenges they have in having a healthy and productive workforce, oftentimes those same challenges impact others in the community. So it creates a great opportunity for partnership. Think about the stigma of mental illness. In a workplace, oftentimes people aren't sure what to say about mental health issues. They're not sure how to approach mental health issues. So focusing on community-wide efforts to reduce the stigma or eliminate the stigma around mental illness is really important. Making it okay and safe to talk about how you feel, what's going on in your life, and figuring out productive ways to help support people who need support both at work and at home goes a long way and requires partnership. So many employers are beginning to look at community health trends and considering how it impacts their company. So when you look at what it will take to recruit, attract, and retain the team you need to produce your product, your service, to be successful in either a local or global economy, the health and productivity of a workforce is really important. Oftentimes what's going on in a community is a mirror of what's going on within an organization's walls. So communities do better when the employers and the communities are working in partnership to make sure that needs are met of community members in a holistic fashion. So one more mission critical thing, and that is the only way to really get to a healthy community is through partnership. No organization, no single organization, whether it is the private sector or the public sector, no group of individuals can do it alone. It takes partnership.